Russian soldiers are attempting to desert when met with the counteroffensive by Kiev's troops, according to the Ukrainian Armed Forces. In its daily update, the General Staff of the Armed Forces said on Friday that Russia was focused on establishing full control of the Donetsk region, the captured districts of Kherson, as well as parts of the Kharkiv, Zaporizhzhia, and Mykolaiv regions. Ukraine said that over the span of 24 hours, Russia had carried out 45 air and 5 missile strikes, in which there were civilian casualties, but it stated that Kiev's forces were conducting a successful counteroffensive in the Kharkiv direction, in which they had advanced almost 30 miles in 3 days. On Thursday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said in his nightly address that his forces had recaptured almost 390 square miles and liberated dozens of settlements. Ukraine's armed forces said that, according to intelligence, some Russian units had suffered significant losses and had tried to evacuate wounded personnel and damaged military equipment to the areas of Velukuvatka and Borodoyarske settlements in the Kharkiv region. Personnel of the occupying forces in civilian clothes resort to desertion and try to return to the territory of the Russian Federation, the assessment said. During the day, more than 15 such cases were noted, it added. Ukrainian armed forces also said on Friday that Russian troops were switching to terrorist tactics in parts of the Kherson region, where civilians in the settlement of Velika Oleksandrivka were being used as human shields. It also warned of a growing threat of a strike on Ukraine from Belarus, where military exercises had begun. British defense officials also noted the start of military exercises on Thursday in Belarus, which are due to last until September 14th, close to Brest near the Polish border, near the capital Minsk, and in the northeastern region of Vitebsk. However, Friday's assessment by the British Ministry of Defense said it was highly unlikely the exercises indicated preparations for direct Belarusian involvement in the Ukraine war. Meanwhile, some Russian officials have disputed how far Ukraine had advanced, including its claim it had recaptured the city of Balaklia. The BBC reported that verified social media posts show Ukrainian flags flying from administrative buildings in the city's center on Thursday. However, local Moscow-appointed official Vitaly Gankev told Russian state TV that the city remained under Russian control. State news agency TASS reported, neither Balaklia nor Shevchenkovo have fallen under the control of Ukraine's formations, he said. We are carrying on with our work as usual.
Піднімаємо наш державний прапор. Церемонії підняття державного прапору приступити. Прапор підняти!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.